Ladies and gentlemen, it's lunchtime here at Pelican Marsh, Friday afternoon. Job site's a little quiet. You can see where our bar and service station used to be in the grill room here. Demo fully underway. The bar is now gone. Utilities coming out here. You can see in the room here all the carpets up. Starting to work on the tile after lunch. All the tile outside here is down. All of our ceilings have been demolished along the outdoor radius of the building. And we continue to go vertical with our stairwell here. About another 7 or 8 feet to go of block. And we'll begin roofing this place. Hope everyone has a great weekend.